Hi there, this is a very short video on how to set up an app called Authy on your phone. Authy is used for providing codes for two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is when you log in with a username, probably your email address, not always, sometimes. You have a password, and the second factor is a 6-digit code that comes from your phone or maybe a text message. Okay, so let's have a look at Authy. So this is my phone. You can see it's live. And Authy is, oh, wrong way. Authy is there, a little red circle with two white squiggles. If you go to the App Store on an iPhone and we go for Authy, Authenticator app to Authy's first one. And there it is, Twilio Authy. Now I just say open because I've already got it, but you might have to download it. Okay, and now we're looking at Authy. We can see that I have loads of apps already set up. But setting up an app is really straightforward. You click on the plus sign, it opens up. Now I'll pause because we're about to go into which apps would we want to set this up for. Hi there, in this second video, I'm going to show you how you set up two-factor authentication on a Google Mail account. Now the same works for Microsoft. If we have time, we might have a go at that one. Let's go switch over to our Google account. So here I am, I'm logged out of everything Google Mail wise. I'm going to click into one of them. It remembers my password because I use a password manager called LastPass. That's another video. No, I don't want to switch. I'm confirming because I've just been making some changes. That is me. But what it didn't do is ask me for any codes. So how do we turn that on? So we go to our profile, manage your Google account. In here we go to security, and here we scroll down a bit and we see this thing here, two-step verification. It's currently turned off. We want to turn that on, so we click on the link. Let's get started. Keep the bad guys out. Okay, it wants us to log in again anyway, just to prove we really are who we are before we set this up. And it's saying, I currently know that you're logged in on an iPad and an iPhone, but do you want to add any more options? Yes, I do. So let's use a text message or a voice call. Will it remember my phone number? Yeah, it does remember my phone number. Okay, so let's click next. And it's going to send me a text message. What is Google's text message saying? It's saying G-701 826. That's pretty cool. Do we want to turn on two-step verification? Yep, we do. Okay, what else can we do? We can also add an authenticator app. That's what I really want to do. So we'll click on that one. It says set up your authenticator. And on the screen there, it's showing me a QR code. So what I now do is I go back to my phone and I go to Authy. Here we are, it's Authy. Scroll to the bottom and there is the thing saying little plus sign, add an account. And it wants me to scan a QR code. Well, that's the QR code I had over here. So scan QR code. It's found it. There we are, it's got it. We look at the screen, it's suggesting that this is a Google one. It is. It's going to call it Google and the name of my email address, which is fine. I hit save. And there's a code. There's Google saying, right, this is the code you now need for this app. If I go back to my website and I click next, it's saying enter the current code. So the current code is 3983. There we are. Verification is achieved. So now we go back out through all these steps. We go back to Gmail. We say log out of everything. And it's saying, who do you want to log in as? So let's log in as me. Not showing you my password, but there it is, it's remembered. And now it says, how do you want to log in? Well, I want to try another way. I don't want to go into YouTube on my phone. I want to try another way. I want to use get verification code from the Google Authenticator app, although I could have had it texted to me. I'm going to use the app. So we go to our app window. There it is. It's currently saying 689382. 689382. We say next. I don't want to switch to an alternative profile in Chrome. That's something else. And I'm in. So we can see that now we've enabled two-factor authentication.